Hello, look who is in the garden.
Got me bottle of water.
Mr. Always Right. So Mr. Always Right put this parasol. How do you call it?
It's called a banana umbrella.
Banana umbrella or
You get bananas
parasol.
off it.
So he managed to put it up and he's sitting down there with his windshield. So he's having a relaxing time by the seaside. So he's got the windshield. So
If I can get my spade and my spade up, we'll just make some sandcastles.
so it's nice and cozy now. So we still have our garden because when we want to move in, we were scared we won't have our garden. But we have garden, and then next week we might have a bit of splash in this spa. We still have space for that.
Yeah.
Have